In front of me is NOKIA C01 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Firstly, open Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then select Notifications. Scroll all the way down and hit See All from last 7 days. Now click on Most Recent at the top and click on the best option for you. Most Recent, Most Frequent or Turned Off. If you wish to block notifications from one of your apps, tap on blue switcher next to the chosen one. To switch them back on, hit the same now gray switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!